Hey everyone, it's Tim Aslan here with TradingLink. I'm here with Askanda, an amazing trader, and I'm really excited for this interview. It's taken a few weeks to schedule because he's been so busy with trading in Dubai, but I'm really happy to have him on here and share his insight for you guys. So, without further ado, let's get right into it. So, Askanda, so how long have you been trading?
So I am around like let's say 3.5 years now, almost getting to 4 years. Yeah, I started trading back in 2019 ending. 2019 ending. By that time I was
Well,
still in school. I was still in school. So I'm from Ghana. I'm from Ghana, West Africa. I guess last ending of last month that I moved to Dubai. Yeah. So my
well,
name is Askanda. Askanda. I trade on Binance. Many of you know me. I trade on Binance and Bybit, mainly crypto. Yeah.
So when you started, did you start immediately in crypto or did you start in forex or stocks?
Uh, okay. So for me, Africa. When you complete school, you have to find job, and some part of the world too. So I decided to search online about how to make money. Then I came across local bitcoins. I came across local bitcoins where people were trading something like they call it Bitcoin. That time I didn't even know what Bitcoin was. So I learned it from a Nigerian guy. You see, that time I was doing P2P trading. So you buy from
Mm.
local Bitcoin and send it to different websites back then you sell it for higher profit. So you can buy like a rate of
Arbitrage.
9 cities. Yes. Then you go to a website like Coinbase or different website and sell it for higher price. So that's how I got into crypto. Yeah. But
Wow.
now that I'm trading futures with leverage. It's just like trading
Hmm.
forex. It's just like trading
Yeah.
forex.
Yeah, I always see your P&Ls. It's really impressive.
Yeah.
So,
We try to keep to
um,
keep things stable.
so when you were starting your trading career, how long did it take for you to develop a trading method and a trading system that became profitable? Was it overnight or did it take a lot of time or how was it for you?
Whoa. You see, I started trading features like, let's say, 1.5 year now. It took me a long time, like almost a year. I have to lose all my money. So if you observe those in my community and me as a human being, I focus everything on risk management and psychology. Risk management, I don't trade. I don't trade when I don't see all my things playing out, all my strategies that I'm using. I don't trade on weekends, even though I'm trading forex for crypto. Crypto is 24/7. Still, I don't trade on weekends, and I have my reasons for that. I'll explain it to you guys in this interview as it goes along. So it took me a long time, like 1 year or more than that. Yeah, it took me more
Well,
than a year.
yeah, it's the cost to learn is what we call it. You have to
Seriously, you
lose all
have
your money first.
to learn sense. I have to
Yeah.
lose all my money, borrow money, trade. You become confused. Then you ask yourself, why are you still doing this? Seriously, it's not an easy journey, but you can always make it work. I have students that they start within 3 months, they're already making money. Some people start
Well,
like 7 months, 8 months, and still they will not even know what trading psychology, risk management, market structure. They will not understand all these things, or even selecting a token, market analysis and sentimental. They might not even know this. Yeah. So everyone and their time frame. For me, it took me like 1.5 year. Yes.
so what would you say is more important for a trader? Would you say it's technical analysis or would you say it's risk management? Which one is more important?
Okay. So for me, I would say risk management. The reason why I'm saying is risk management. You see, if someone is trading with an account of $10 and you are trading with an account of $1 million, it's still the same thing. It's just numbers. It's just zeros added to it. It's still the same thing. So the monetary value that makes people act emotionally and irrational is just the monetary value. So for me, risk management. If someone knows risk management and you give him $1,000 to trade, next year by this time, he will not lose it and you even have $2,000 or $5,000 or even up to $10,000. For technical analysis, no. Then if you don't know risk management and you know technical analysis, you win today and tomorrow you blow your account. And that's not trading. Trading is longevity. Can you survive when things are not going good or going well for you? Can you really survive? So for me, risk management.
That's good. Yeah. So what would you say to people who, let's say, they can't manage their emotions yet? Maybe they have a good system, they're good at technical analysis, they understand risk management, but they always have FOMO and they want to enter a position. How do you turn that off and come back to being calm?
Okay. So it is now the problem that we have now in our age, me for instance, is patience. Once you know all these things, it's just patient. Waiting. For example, let's just say this is how I trade. When I wake up from Monday to Friday, we have what we call trading sessions. I only trade 2 trading sessions, New York session and London session. So the London session is 8 a.m. GMT in my country back in Ghana. So if I wake up around 4 and I'm a Muslim, I do my prayers, I start analyzing the market, then around 7 to 8, I'll try and find a setup with my fundamental analysis and technical analysis. If I don't find the setup, I will not trade. I'll wait for like 1 hour to New York session. That's patience and discipline. We have people that, okay, they know that I'm not supposed to be trading this time, maybe Asian session. Then you see him having his phone, placing trades. You are gambling. It's not trading. That's gambling. But if you understand patience and discipline, and you know all these things, risk management, you won't be doing that. Sometimes I'll just wake up, then I'll see a message from one of my students, midnight, that I took this trade and it went well. I said, bro, you are not trading, you are gambling. You are not supposed to be trading at this time. Everything, we have the right time to do everything. We have the right time to be praying, the right time to be watching movie, the right time to be doing your jogging. So if you don't follow these rules, you are not doing trading. So for me, I would say patience. So patience is very important.
Wow.
Once you have all the systems together, it's patience that will help you. Yeah.
That's a good explanation. So when you trade, do you keep positions open overnight, or because you mentioned you just do the 2 sessions, do you trade and close all your positions by the end of the session, or how do you trade?
Okay, so for me, what I do is I do 3 things to manage my positions. 3 things to manage my positions. Because we are trading crypto, the market moves very fast. So you need to be attentive. So this is what I do. Let's say I'm trading Link and the current price of Link is $10 and we are thinking it will go to $15. For crypto market, the next minute Link can be $20 or goes down to like $9. So if I place my trade, then I have something we call 100 plus ROI. So this is the secret here. Once I take a trade and I'm able to achieve 100 plus ROI, I move my stop loss to entry and close 50%. When I do that, I leave the trade to run to my TP. I can leave it to the next day, but I don't hold trades over weekend. For crypto, if I take trade on Thursday or Friday or Wednesday, Friday evening, I'll close all my trades. It doesn't matter whether I'm in a loss or win, I'll just close it. But if I take a trade and it's able to achieve 100 plus ROI, I'll close 50% and move my stop loss to entry. I don't care about the trading session, but I only know that from Friday, I have to close my positions. So that's what I do. I don't look at trading sessions. No. Once I take a trade and it's in the right path, I'll close 50% when I hit 100 plus ROI, then I'll hold it. Yeah, so that's what I've been doing. So if you see my PNL is just like this, maybe like this, and it's always going up. Maybe if I have like a losing streak, it go down this way and it still goes up, because there is always a time that you'll be losing as a trader, but for managing your trades, you don't have to be looking at trading sessions. Maybe you can close your trade now and it will still move into your take profit. But you always have to protect your capital and close half of your profit. So that's what I do. Yeah.
So when you say 100% ROI, is that 1R or is that a 2R? Is it a 1R
Yeah.
basically?
So let's say my risk to reward is 1:3, right? So if the trade reaches 1:1, then I move my stop loss to entry. That's
Okay,
what I
nice.
always do. So you can see like some of the trades, they will hit like TP, and others too. Once they reach like 1:1, you see the market reversing to your stop loss. So as a smart person and someone who is doing business, you always have to protect your principal. So even if I close 50% and the trade reverses, I've still made money from it. So at the end of the week, my PNL will still go up. At the end of the month, I will still have money, and I've made profit to withdraw from Binance or Biden. So that's how I do it.
After your first TP, how long do you wait till your next one? Do you wait till it's a 3R or 4R, or do you have a certain point, or do you
With
just look at the
crypto,
chart and say, hey, once it breaks this?
so with crypto, the market moves very fast. The market moves very fast with crypto. And even if you are using leverage, it's even 10 times more than that. So what I do is, my take profit is usually at the nearest resistance. If I'm buying long, the nearest resistance zone, then I'll divide the nearest resistance into two. You get it? I'll divide the nearest resistance into two. Then I'll make sure that, okay, if the trade hit my first TP, I just move my stop loss to the entry level. Then I close 50%. So if I take a trade on New York session or London session, within 2 to 3 hours, I'll hit my first TP. And if it doesn't go to my first TP, maybe I'll hit my stop loss. So within 2 to 3 hours, from Monday to Friday, active market hours, from either 8 a.m. GMT to 2:30 p.m. Those times when you take a trade using 4-hour time frame or 1-hour time frame, yeah, within 2 to 3 hours, you know whether you are at the right side of the market or wrong side of the market.
Well,
So maximum my trades to hit TP, maximum is 72 hours or sometimes 3 days to hit TP, like to hit the 1:3 ratio.
nice.
Usually
Are
maximum 3 days.
are there days where you never take any trades, even during the week?
Yeah. For example, let's say Monday, it's like Monday I didn't take a trade, but on Tuesday and today too, I've taken trades. Tomorrow, if I do my analysis, it's based on the morning of my analysis. So in the morning time, I trade London session and New York session. Sometimes if we trade London session, we don't trade New York session. And sometimes we will not trade New York session and we trade London session. So it depends on the day and the opportunity given to us. Some days I
Got it.
don't trade, and some
And
weeks too I don't trade. So the time that I was traveling from Ghana to here, about 2 days I didn't trade. About 2 days because I was tired and also still finding an apartment and all very stressful. So you even be
yeah.
in the right mind to trade. Yeah.
So did you just move to Dubai recently?
Yeah. Okay. Let's say recently, but I've traveled to different African countries. Last 2 weeks that I came to Dubai. Yeah. I came for some programs with friends and invites. You see, the way we do it is sometimes someone can be in a different country and they will refer people to you to mentor them. Then they will say that, okay, why not come and give us a physical class? So today I'm from Dubai Mall. I've not even removed my shirt. I just went to give some 1 hour tutorial physical lesson. Some people have it hard time learning online. They want to see you physically, like saying, okay, do this, do that, do that. Then they'll just get it. So yeah,
Nice.
that's the reason why sometimes people don't understand why traders travel. It's because of physical classes and investment and other business things, not only traveling for leisure anymore. For
Yeah.
example, last 2 months, we were having a meetup in Kenya for Binance. And also, even last 6 months in Accra, Ghana, there were some meetup for crypto. So people from South Africa and different countries, they came. So
Well,
I just moved here
that
to
must be
do
cool.
some physical classes. Yeah.
Well, so so you offer coaching in crypto. I know you have a group as well. Can you tell us a little bit more about it? And we'll leave the links below if anyone wants to join. But go ahead and tell us more about your platform.
Okay, so I trade crypto, then I teach people who are interested in making money online trading crypto. So what we do is before you just get into the system, you first have to learn how to do P2P, teaching you Bitcoin and all these things. Then after that, you now select whether you really want to do leverage trading, that's crypto leverage trading, or you want to do spot trading, or you want to do P2P, or just something else. Crypto is a broad space. So we trade with leverage, just like people trading Forex. So that's mainly what we do. We predict market prices. So some people, when they join the trading community, they think it's only about buying and selling. No. You can also do P2P where you trade with fiat currencies, or you can do blockchain investment, blockchain development, NFTs. All these things are crypto, but mainly I do crypto leverage trading, prediction of prices with small capital to bigger amounts. So that's mainly what I do.
Awesome.
So
Awesome.
I'll teach people how to trade and I also share my trades with them.
Awesome. Yeah, we'll leave a link below, guys, if you want to check that out. You can join his Telegram. He's obviously very knowledgeable in this space, and we're really lucky to have him. So thank you for being here. If I may, I want to quickly show you. I'm going to share my screen real quick.
Okay.
I want to show you the platform that we developed. Can you see it?
Okay.
So this will be all the signal pools on TradingLink. And so you can go to any one of these traders and you can click on them and it'll show you all the statistics about the trader, how many winning days, losing days, daily profit, 5-dimensional metrics, all-time P&L.
Bro, this is good. This is good. This is good. This is good. This is amazing. This is what we
Yeah.
want. This is really amazing. It's a game changer. Wow, 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 wow. It's amazing. It's amazing.
Yeah, because it's
So,
everything is connected through API, so it has your
yes,
whole entire trading account, all
PNL,
the
like the
data,
way I usually
and
share my Binance with people, it's really good. It's really good. So the customer or the student
yeah,
can now decide whether I want to go for this signal provider. It's
exactly,
cool. It's cool.
exactly.
Wonderful.
And they
Wonderful.
can just link their own trading account through the API to theirs, and it'll automatically copy, open and close positions, and it'll do it at the same ratio. So if they have $100,000 and you only have 1,000, it'll do 10% of the position size that they'll do. So it's really cool ratio, and the tech guys did really well.
Meaning
And we're
it
gonna
will even calculate the lot size for them, right?
exactly all
Wonderful,
automatically. You
wonderful,
don't even have
wonderful,
to log
wonderful.
in.
Yeah, that's
And
good.
yeah,
That's
so
good.
we're gonna get crypto on here. We really want to see you on here once we have crypto. I think you're
Okay.
gonna
Okay, I'm
absolutely
fully
crush it.
ready.
So awesome.
Okay, okay,
So
that's
I'll
good.
let them
That's
know
good.
to
That's
to
good.
speed up the crypto.
Yeah,
But yeah,
I have a lot
that's the
of
end of the
guys
the video.
who will be ready to jump on it. I have a lot of guys who will be ready to jump on it too. That's good. That's good. That's good.
Perfect.
I can even promote it because I have this idea of creating an app. But since you guys have already developed one, no need to waste money. We just push it up.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's cool. It's
there
cool.
we
It's
go.
cool. It's cool. Okay.
All right, guys, check out Askanda in the link in the bio below. And thank you for watching the podcast.
Thank you too.